shall give in this case shall be true, that I will conceal nothing, and that no part of my evidence shall be false. So help me God. Please take your seat. Evidence affidavit. Exhibit 1 টা। ঠিক। Exhibit list. ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଯୋଉ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ ଗୁଡା ଡାକିବି ସେଗୁଡା ସାରଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖେଇବେ। ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 17 ଓରିଜିନାଲ ଅନ୍ ହେଇନି କି? ହଁ ହେଇଯାଇଛି। ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି। ହଁ ସାରଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ।
ପଚାରିବେ। ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା 17 ରୁ 25 ଗୋଟି ଗୋଟି ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି, ଦେଖେଇ ଦଉଛି, ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରି ଦଉଛି ସେଥିରେ ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟ କିଏ, ତାପରେ ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକର ଗୋଟିଏ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରିଦେବି।
अच्छा
so that it will be easier.
I think accused ना लिखा ही है already माने मोहम्मद
नहीं खाली इनफॉर्मेंट
वो
इनफॉर्मेंट किए।
अच्छा
हेले आपण टिके देखिए
17 गोटे गोटे खाली
गोटी गोटी के खाली कोई
ऑलराइट
देखो टिके देखा एग्जिबिट 17 एथरे इनफॉर्मेंट होचंती आर साहू,
रश्मि रंजन साहू,
डीडेन आईआईसी पुरीघाट
लिखा है पुरीघाट आईआईसी
पीएस
लिखा है आईआईसी पुरीघाट पीएस एड्रेस। Exhibit 17 is the first information report dated 11/9/2018 of Purighat Police Station, which indicates that Rashmi Ranjan Sahu, the IIC of Purighat Police Station, Cuttack, is the informant in the said case.
एग्जिबिट 18 टा देखो
Exhibit 18.
जगन्नाथ परिडा डीडेन सब इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ पुलिस पुरीघाट पीएस
कॉपी करी पेस्ट कर दिया तुम खाली चेंज कर सन ऑफ जंबेश्वर परिडा प्रेजेंट एड्रेस है एसआई ऑफ पुलिस पुरीघाट पीएस एसआई ऑफ पुलिस पुरीघाट पीएस देखले तो See, Exhibit 18 is the first information report dated 11/9/2018, which indicates that one Jagannath Parida.
एसआई
अच्छा CSI की
अगेन
अच्छा then one टा काटी दियंतु हां जगन्नाथ परिडा the S अच्छा जगन्नाथ परिडा SI of police
पुरीघाट पीएस
SI of police ठीक है SI of police Purighat police station is the informant in this yes
एग्जिबिट 19 टा देखा
देखो Exhibit 19 एथरे informant होछंती श्री देवी प्रसाद पात्र इंस्पेक्टर पुलिस
मरकतनगर आईआईसी
first information report dated 8/8/2012 of Markatnagar, which indicates that Devi Prasad Patra DEBI लिखो Devi Prasad Devi Prasad Patra key on our designation inspector in charge of Markatnagar police station is the informant in this yes
20 टा देखा
देखो 20 रे
से देवी प्रसाद पात्र आईआईसी मरकतनगर पीएस से होचंत इनफॉर्मेंट
मिला 2020 को dated 17/7 17/7/2012 of same Markatnagar which indicates that same Devi Prasad Patra IAS ठीक है next
21 एथरे इनफॉर्मेंट होचंती हरिहर दोरा डीडेन आईआईसी पुरीघाट पीएस
हरिहर दोरा IIC पुरीघाट पीएस 21 first information report date होची 22/9/2011 Purihat police station which indicates that see Harihara Dora comma IIC of Purihat police station IIC inspector in charge of Purihat police station comma Katak ठीक है जी also जो that Sri हाँ से take gap देखें which indicate that Sri and so on so yes next
exhibit 22 ଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
exhibit 22
ଏଥିରେ ଇନଫରମାଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ହରିଶଙ୍କର ଭୋଇ ଏସଆଇ ପୋଲିସ ମଧୁପାଟଣା ପିଏସ୍
हरिशंकर भोई SI of police Madhupatna police Milord exhibit 22 past information report dated होची 27/12/2010 of Madhupatna police station which indicates that Shri Harishankar Bhoi ठीक है SI of police Madhupatna Madhupatna police station Cuttack is the informative yes next
23-24-25 ତିନିଟା ଯାକ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଏଥିରେ ଜଣେ ହଉଛି
FIR ମାନେ informant
କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନାଣ୍ଟ
अच्छा ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 23 exhibit 23 ଏଥିରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନାଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛନ୍ତି M ରାଧାକୃଷ୍ଣ ଡେପୁଟି SP ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ସେଲ୍ କଟକ ମିଲନ ଏଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 24 exhibit 24 say M ରାଧାକୃଷ୍ଣ ଡେପୁଟି SP ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ସେଲ୍ କଟକ and ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 25 informant ହଉଛନ୍ତି M ରାଧାକୃଷ୍ଣ ଡେପୁଟି SP ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ସେଲ୍ କଟକ Right. So exhibit 23, exhibit 24 and exhibit 25 are the fast information reports dated 31/12/2012, 28/12/2012 and 28/12/2012 respectively of Vigilance Police Station, Cuttack, Madhupatna Police Station कर देंगे, है which indicate that spelling टा RISSNA NA कर देंगे, है Deputy Superintendent of Police Vigilance Cell is the informant in this case. Kata.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ତିନିଟା ଯାକ କେସ୍
informant in the said cases कर दें cases in the said अच्छा 3 could add word कर दें in the said 3 cases just in the said 3 cases that's all
এই ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା କେସ୍ ରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 31/12/2012 28/12/2012
लिखी सरची सर
नहीं सेटा मु देखे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टा
ठीक
एथरे फाइनल फॉर्म टा कोर्ट को 10/8/2022 सुधा भी पहुंची
लास्ट पेज ऑफ द ऑर्डर देखिए सर लास्ट पेज 23 25/7/2022 तक FF has not yet been received call on 30/22 outing FF put up on the date fixed then as per order of this honorable court the address certificate of the last page of the order last page up to 5/8/2022
minor
କାରଣ ଏ ଦିଟା ଯାକରେ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି 5/8
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ 5/8 ହେଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା serially collection exhibit 23 the order sheet of VGR case number 85 of 2012 which arises out of the FIR bracket exhibit 23 indicates अच्छा कर दियंतु आगुर लेखा ही जो सो थाबा काई काई रिपीट करिया से तो लेखा ही जी छोड़ा सा indicates that till 25/7/2022 the final form had not been received. Stop. तापरे सेमती कॉपी करी पेस्ट कर दियंतु 24 रो the order sheet of it होची VGR case number 83 of 2012 which arises out of FIR होची 24 ठीक अछि indicates that till 5/8/2022 till 5/8/2022 final form had not been received. Then it होची 84 of which arises out of FIR 25 indicates that till 20/05/22 हला फाइनल फॉर्म अच्छा जो डेट गुड़ा लिखले नि तापर गोटे गोटे कॉमा दे दियंतु 25 हां सेठी गोटे कॉमा ता ऊपर गोटे कॉमा टिल्स वन हां बस यस
देखंतु ए एग्जिबिट 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 ये हला 9टी केस ये 9टी जाक केस रेस्पोंडेंट को विरुद्ध रे इंस्टीट्यूट करा हिची जेहेतु से लोकन को दाबी पे रास्ता रोको आ धारणा करथिले
Milord, FIR is an FIR. What he was doing.
से contents देखले भी सेटा जणा पड़े.
Okay, sir. Please switch on.
No, these are irrelevant questions, my lords. In Ranganath Mishra's case, my lords, the Supreme Court has said only relevant questions are to be asked to the witnesses, my lords. These are irrelevant questions. How can he say why charge sheet has not been submitted? Whether
he's asking a question that all these FIR relates to public agitation.
Maybe, my lords. He is to disclose his criminal antecedents. At the point of quashing, my lords, these things are to be considered.
Mishra, it can be, you can argue this matter that these are the cases.
I can argue, I can bring it through the mouth of my witness.
Yes. There is no problem.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ଲୋକ ପ୍ରତିନିଧି ତାଙ୍କର ବି ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଦାବି ଉତ୍ଥାପିତ କରିବା ତାଙ୍କର ବି
the question which you are putting to you he has to go through he is not the informant in any of the cases. He has to give the opinion looking at the FIR which we can also very well see it. So that is all right. All right.
Well, the affidavit's requirement is whether he has expressed the correct information about his criminal case. That's all.
ନାଇଁ ମୋର ବୟସ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ତ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍
No.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବୟସ ତ ଆମକୁ ଖାଇଯାଉଛି
ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 17 ଟୁ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 30 ଆପଣ 14ଟି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କେସ୍ ର ସାର୍ଟିଫାଏଡ କପି ଦାଖଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ପଚାରି ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ
ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି sir. I have filed exhibits number कितने सर कहले
17 to 30
17 18
अच्छा नहीं 17 टू कर दला
आगे
exhibit 7 exhibits एस गोटे लगे दिंतु exhibit 17 to 30 30 हाँ to show that 14 criminal cases are pending against respondent Mohammad Mukim.
नहीं ताको अगेन I have filed certified copy of 14 criminal cases.
अच्छा exhibit sir to show
এটা মোহাম্মদ মুকিম কেন্দ্রাপড়াটা কোটে
अच्छा
26 টা আঙ্ক কই দাও
সে কই দাও
to show which अच्छा which so I have files on relating to कर दियंतु relating to 14 criminal cases हाँ
ସେଥିରୁ
relating to 14 criminal cases
exhibit 26 ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତି
एगुड़ाक सबुतक मोहम्मद मुकिम को नाम ना
गोटाए मु देखै
हां जोटा नाही सेटा काटी देले
सिंगल आउट
हां सेटा हे गेले सुविधा है
एक्टिविट 26 रे देखंतु मोहम्मद मुकिम को ना नथिला ना एफआईआर रे अछि ना चार्जशीट रे अछि
हम दियंतु से वेरीफाई करको
एफआईआर थिले दुटा अछि जितेंद्रनाथ महांती एंड विजय कुमार बारेंडी and the charge sheet ଆସିଛି against charge sheet number 44 dated 28/2009 under section 100 against the accused persons विजय कुमार मारंडी ब्रह्मानंद महांती and राजकिशोर राव एते मोहम्मद मुकिम को ना ना एग्जिबिट 26 रे
oh acha this one Mohammad Mukim has shown in his affidavit to be pending against him
only mistake my lord
no it's all right no that is there that all right I have filed so and so relating to 14 criminal cases, out of which Exhibit 26, which is the certified copy of FIR, and entire order sheet is na khal
day to day order sheet
order sheet of TR number 16 of 2010 pending in the Court of Special Judge Vigilance, Cuttack. I have filed so and so relating to 14 criminal cases, criminal cases per comma, out of which Exhibit 26 is the certified copy of the FIR and entire order sheet of TR number number 16 of 2010 and the comma, which was neither instituted against the respondent Mohammad Mukim, nor he has been charge sheeted in the said case. Even though he has reflected in his affidavit, कोटी सेटा मेंशन करछिन कहले एकाथर गोटे पैराग्राफ रे पढे
para 58 रे ऑलरेडी माय लॉर्ड सब
लिखा ही ना दरकार नहीं
even though he has reflected
अच्छा even though he has reflected in his affidavit in form number खाली कर
para 5 column
नहीं इते लिखा ही यदि आप खाली
as indicated
in his affidavit in form 26
yes
to be pending against him. Hello.
Yes. In rest 13 cases appearing in Exhibit 17 to 25 and 27 to 30, respondent Mohammad Mukim has been shown as a accused.
All right. In exhibits 17 TO2 25 and exhibits 27 TO2 30, comma, the respondent Mohammad Mukim is an accused.
Through certified copy of FIR day-to-day order sheet under exhibit 18 आपण पाइचंती 28/6/2019 ने सबुडा काई मु थाको देकिरि कहले सेटा
ठीक है exhibit 18 टा सर रेफर करछन
आज्ञा
exhibit 18 टा दियंत
नु दीटा रेफर सर करबी exhibit 18 टा exhibit 21 टा
अच्छा से दीटा डॉक्यूमेंट दियंत 18 टा और 21 टा से दीटा डॉक्यूमेंट
exhibit 18
दीटा जाको 28/6/2019 रे पाइछ
आपण 25/6/19 रे अप्लाई करछन डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन एंड डेट ऑन डिलीवरी होची 28/6/2019
एटा होची 18 तारो एप्लीकेशन
होची 25/6/2019 देखंतु
देखली कोन को अच्छा ऊपर अछि पूरा एप्लीकेशन टा होची 25/6/2019 हां
एंड डेट ऑफ डिलीवरी
होची 28/6 ठीक तापर आरोटा
21 टा भी सेया
25/6 रे अप्लाई होची 28/6 रे मिलची ठीक अच्छा
25/6/19 रे अप्लाई करछंती 28/6/19 रे आपण पाइछ
So, Mr. Samantrae will proceed. Yeah. Exhibit 18 and Exhibit 21 indicate that for obtaining the copies, for obtaining the certified copies of such documents, comma, applications were filed on 25/6/2019 and the copy was granted. Copies were granted on 28/6/2019. And the certified, how I would like certified. Yeah.
अच्छा आपण इलेक्शन केस फाइल करले 3/7/2019
देखिए दूं तो
देखा इलेक्शन पिटिशन
इलेक्शन पिटिशन आपण फाइल करछंती 3/7 रा एफिडेविट करछंती एवं
right that is presented in ठीक है
वेरिफिकेशन करछन फाइल करछन
right I have filed the election petition on 3/7/2019
अच्छा तेणु एथुरु जना जाउची जे इलेक्शन केस फाइल करिवार बहु पूर्वरु certified copy of exhibit 18 and 21 were in your possession.
My lords, when you prepare such sort of a case, once you get all the certified copies, then only you can.
No, say it.
See, my lords, asking only about these two documents.
I am only about these two documents.
ये जो 25/6 रे आपण को ग्रांट हेची आ गोटे ग्रांट हेची 28/6 रे आपण तीन हां अच्छा दीटा को 28 सॉरी दीटा को 28/6 रे तेणु आपण 3/7/2019 फाइल कला बेलू ए 18 आ 21 आपण को पाखरे थिला
मिलर
ओके exhibit 18 and 21 exhibit 21 data were available with me when I filed the election petition. Stop.
Exhibit 18, case under Exhibit 18 relates to Purighat PS Cutter, case number 150 of 11 dated 11/9/2018 Our Exhibit 21, case under Exhibit 21 relates to FIR number 113 dated 22/9/2011 of Purighat PS.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 18টাରେ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଏଫଆଇଆର ନମ୍ବର ହଉଛି 150 ପୁରୀଘାଟ ପିଏସ୍, ଡେଟ୍ ହଉଛି 11/9/2018 ଏବଂ 21ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ପୁରୀଘାଟ ପିଏସ୍, ଏଫଆଇଆର ନମ୍ବର 113, ଡେଟ୍ 22/9/2011 ଦେଖିଲେ।
Election petition টা দেখান।
ইলেকশন পিটিশন দেখନ୍ତୁ
Paragraph 10, 11, 12, 13.
page
हाँ।
10 under paragraph 7C,
Paragraph 7C, page 10, 11, 12, 13.
page 10, 11, 12,
election petition টা দিও
13
ସେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଟା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଫଟୋ କପିଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆମର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇପାରିବୁ?
ହଁ ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି just ଦେଖିବା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମାତେ
ନା ଆପଣ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିବେ ତାକୁ ରେଫର କରିବ
ମୁଁ
ଦରକାର
ଏଥର ଲେଖିକି ରଖି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଦେନ୍ ଇଟ୍ସ ଅଲ୍
ମୁଁ ଲେଖିକି ରଖି
କୋଉ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ରେଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି
7C
Paragraph 7C available at page 10 of the election petition.
yes
ଖାଲି 10
10, 11, 10 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଛି।
ନା
10,
ପେଜ
11,
ପେଜ
12,
ନମ୍ବର 10 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଛି
ଆରମ୍ଭ
ସେଟା
ହେଇଛି 13 ରେ ସରି
ହଁ
ଏଇଟା
ନାଇଁ
ପଢି
ଠିକ
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Paragraph
ଯେତିକି
7C
ଦରକାର ସେତିକି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ପଢିବେ ଷ୍ଟେପ ବାଇ ଷ୍ଟେପ ନହେଲେ ଭୁଲିଯିବେ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର
ଆପଣ particular ଯୋଉ ଦୁଇଟି କେସ୍
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଦିଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିବେ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଗେ ପଚାରିବି ଏଥିରେ ତାଙ୍କର ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଅଫ ଆଲିଗେସନ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 7C ରେ
ହୁଁ
ହଉଛି ମୋହମ୍ମଦ ମୁକିମ ଡେଲିବରେଟଲି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
falsely and deliberately
ହୁଁ
not made correct, proper and full declaration about the details of criminal cases pending against him.
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା
7C ର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
That
ହଁ
is
ହଁ
important.
ଓ 7C ସେଟା
Substance ଟା
ହଁ
ଦେଖିବା।
Has falsely and deliberately
Hmm.
not ଲାଗି ଯାଇଛି, not made correct, proper and full declaration about the details of criminal cases pending against him. This is your allegation.
Hmm. In paragraph number 7C of the election petition, 7 bracket C,
Capital C.
capital C. Comma, I have mentioned that the respondent in his affidavit dated 3/4/2019 filed along with his nomination paper on 2/4/2019 has falsely and deliberately not made correct, proper and full declaration about the details of the criminal cases pending against him. Stop.
Kindly look to this paragraph 7C. In this paragraph, you have not alleged nor have mentioned about suppression of pendency of criminal case mentioned under Exhibit 18 and 21.
ଯୋଉଟା ପୁରୀଘାଟ ପିଏସ୍ ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ। ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 150 ଡେଟ୍ 11/9/2018 ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 18 ରେ ଏବଂ 21 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ ପୁରୀଘାଟ ପିଏସ୍ 113 ଡେଟ୍ 22/9/2011 ଏଇ ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଏଇ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 7C କୁ ଯଦି ପଢିବେ ତାହା ମେନସନ ନାହିଁ ବା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଲିଗେସନ ଏଇ ଦିଟି କେସ୍ ଉପରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସପ୍ରେସନ ଉପରେ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ତ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ଥିଲା,
Certificate, yes, sir.
ସେଇ ଗୋଟାକ ଆପଣ ମେନସନ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ।
ଏଇ ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ରେ କଣ ବିଷୟରେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ସପ୍ରେସନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବା ମିସଲିଡିଂ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ
ଅଭିଯୋଗ
ଇନ୍ ଦି ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍, ଏଭଳି କୌଣସି ଅଭିଯୋଗ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 7C ରେ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍।
And has falsely and deliberately not made correct.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ରିଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 18 ଆଉ 21, ତାର FIR ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଅଛି। ଏଇ ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ସଂକ୍ରାନ୍ତରେ କୌଣସି ସେ ସପ୍ରେସନ କରିବା କଥା ଆପଣ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ ଏ 7C ରେ। ଯଦି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି, ଏଇଠି ମୁଁ ସାର୍ କରିଛି ବାସ୍ ଗଲା କାମ ଛିଣିଲା।
ହଁ
I don't remember.
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ଆପଣ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ,
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
ସାର୍
ଆପଣ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ
ଯେ
ରେଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ହିଁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ସେଇ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଉପରେ ହିଁ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ନଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ କୌଣସି। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ପାରା ପେଜ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଛି 10 ରେ, ସରିଛି କେତେ ପେଜ ରେ?
13 ନମ୍ବର
13 ନମ୍ବର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ରେ 3 ପେଜ ଏଇଟା ଇଏ କରିଛି।
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ନମ୍ବର 150 ପୁରୀଘାଟ ପିଏସ୍ ର ଆଉ ଏଫଆଇଆର ନମ୍ବର 113 ପୁରୀଘାଟ ପିଏସ୍ ଉପରେ ଆପଣ କିଛି ମେନସନ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି, ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି, my lord,
Yes, Mr. Sahu.
my basic case was that the many facts which were suppressed. So
ହଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ଆପଣ ଅନ୍ୟ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା ଇଏ ସିଏ ତାର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ହଉଛି ଏ ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ଇଏ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ତ ଓକିଲଙ୍କୁ ଦବା କଥା, ଓକିଲ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଲେଖିବା କଥା। ଉଭୟ ପ୍ରବୀଣ, ଆପଣ ରାଜନୀତିଜ୍ଞ ହିସାବରେ ପ୍ରବୀଣ ଏବଂ ଓକିଲ ବି ପ୍ରବୀଣ, ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ତଥାପି ବି ଏଇଟା ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ ହେଇନି।
maybe sir, maybe sir.
It is a fact that in paragraph 7C of the election petition, nothing has been stated in connection with Exhibit 18 and Exhibit 21 relating to any suppression oblique misleading statement by the respondent in his affidavit form
In form 26.
in form 26. In form 26. Stop.
So we'll switch over to next part.
Niyan. Sir को एटा फेरे दियो जल्दी।
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ଗୋଟି ଗୋଟି କରି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇବେ। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ଅଫ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 17 to 25, 17 to 20, 22 to 30.
Sir,
এইଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ 3/7/19 ପୂର୍ବରୁ ନଥିଲା, କାହିଁକିନା ଏଇ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ଗୁଡା ଆପଣ 22 ମସିହାରେ ପାଇବେ।
ନାଇଁ
ସବୁଗୁଡାକ
17 ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 17 ରୁ
17ଟା ରହିବ, 18ଟା କଟିଯିବ ମାଇଲ।
ହଁ
ଆଉ
18ଟା 18 ଆଉ 21 କଟିଗଲାଣି।
18 ଆଉ 21 ଛଡା ଆଉ ସବୁ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ ର ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଉ କୌଣସି ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ ର ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ସଚ୍ ଆଜ୍
17 କରିଦେବି
17, 19, 20, 22, 23 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 ଏଗୁଡାକ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ୍ କପି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ନଥିଲା।
At the time of filing of the election petition. There is no dispute, I think. Mr. Samantray?
My lord.
It's a fact that at the time of filing of election petition,
ସେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଲିଗେସନ ଗୁଡା ଖାଲି
Exhibit 17, comma, Exhibit 17, comma, 19, comma, 20, put out exclude हो पड़ा,
ठीक है ना भाई, 21 exclude कर देना,
21 टा exclude, हाँ, अब बाकी सब लगी जान, up to 30% लगी जान, नहीं 21 पर गला अपन exclude कले, आओ सब
18 and 21 टा exclude,
हाँ, were not available with me. Stop.
अच्छा এইটা এই সার্টিফাইড কপি গুড়ে এই এক্সিবিটর সার্টিফাইড কপি ଆପଣ ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ରୁ ନଭେମ୍ବର 2022 ଭିତରେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି।
हाँ, as per the orders of this court से तो पाइଛନ୍ତି और कौन सा?
Mila.
All these copies, all the
certified
अच्छा,
copies
were
of
not,
the above
all the
exhibits.
not available with me. Which which I received in between August 2022 TO2 केबे सर कहउछंती November 2022 yes
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ while pleading about suppression of pendency of criminal cases against the respondent under paragraph 7C, you have not made any specific allegation with respect to the cases pending under these acts. 7C रे भी एक केस संपर्क
जोड़ा किसी नहीं
ना
तो let him see evidence affidavit देखों दो ऐसे evidence affidavit देखो ना
except exhibit 26, 27 and 30.
exhibit 26, 27 and 30.
Exhibit 26
27
हाँ
minor 30.
এই তিনটা ডকুমেন্ট বিষয়ে রেফর କରିଛନ୍ତି স্পেସିଫିକାଲି ତାଙ୍କର ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ ହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନ୍ୟ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକରେ କୌଣସି ସପ୍ରେସନ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି କିଛି ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରୁନା yes you see verify and answer Mr. Samantray ଆପଣ ଏଇ
election petition
only election petition ଟା କେବଳ ଏଇ ତିନିଟା କେସ୍ ରେ ହିଁ ସପ୍ରେସନ ହେଇଛି ଏତିକି ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
FIR number 136 2012 ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଦଉଚି
26 27 30 ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 136 2012 dated 2019 ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବାଲିଜନ୍ତା ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି which relates to exhibit 27 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ exhibit 27
देखिए साइमल्टेनियसली देखिए लिस्ट ये तो कौन वाला एग्जिबिट लिस्ट
exhibit 27 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ 136 2012 24 2012 ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ତାପରେ କରିଛନ୍ତି 34 ମାନେ exhibit 26 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ 34 ଡେଟେଡ 6/9/2007 କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 34 ଡେଟେଡ୍ 31/8/2007 ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା, ଯୋଉଟା ଟିଆର ନମ୍ବର 16/2010, ଯୋଉଥିରେ ମହମ୍ମଦ ମୁକିମ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆପଣ ସେୟା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ମଧ୍ୟ। ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସିମିଲାରଲି ଦ ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ମେନସନ ଏଫଆଇଆର ନମ୍ବର 34 ଡେଟେଡ୍ 6/9/2007 ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ ଓଡ଼ିଶା, whereas there is no FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007 in Vigilance Police Station Kotak Odisha against the respondent। এই ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ 26 ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ମିଲନ।
ଏବଂ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 30 ରେ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି the respondent has also not disclosed FIR number, GR number of TR number 41 of 2013 pending in the court of special judge vigilance। TR number 41 2013 ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏ ତିନିଟି କେସ୍ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକାଲି ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି, ଆ ଛଡା କୌଣସି କେସ୍ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକାଲି ଲେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି।
ମିଲନ।
in କରଦା ଏଟା କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ 26 ଆଚ୍ଛା ମୁଁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜିଂ ହେଇଯିବ ନା ତ ହଁ ହଁ in it's a fact ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ, it's a fact that in paragraph 7C bracket capital C of the election petition I have highlighted the suppression / misleading statements made by respondent in his affidavit in Form 26 with reference to 3 cases only, that is Exhibit 26, ରହିଲା 26, 27 and 30। हाँ ठीक है ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ ରେ on the previous occasion being questioned by the honorable court ପଚାରିଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ତ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ୍ କପି ହେରିକା ନଥିଲା 22 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ, ଆପଣ କୋଉଠୁ ଜାଣିଲେ, କାହାଠୁ ଜାଣିଲେ? ନା from my own source and agency and research। ପ୍ରଥମେ ବୋଧେ ଆପଣ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ପାଇଲେ ସୋର୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଜେନ୍ସି, ତାପରେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କଲେ, ଏହା ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି। ସେଇ ସୋର୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଜେନ୍ସି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନରେ ବା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଅନ୍ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
Legal aids were there. They would have, my legal help was there.
କହିଥିବେ ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ସୋର୍ସ ରୁ ଜାଣିଲିଣି, ଏଇ ଏଜେନ୍ସି ରୁ ଜାଣିଲିଣି, ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଓକିଲଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲେ ତ? ତାହେଲେ ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ସିଏ ଦର୍ଶେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି, ସେଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭୁଲ ହବନି, ତାଙ୍କର ଭୁଲ ହବ। ସ୍ଲିପ ହେଇପାରେ, ଓକିଲଙ୍କ ସ୍ଲିପ କି କେହି ଧରିବେନି।
First of all, every petition, my lord, we have some where we get when we check that his nomination papers were in।
ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଜଣେଇଥିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ ମତେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ମୋ ଓକିଲଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଜଣେଇଥିଲି।
Yes,
ସୋର୍ସ ଆଉ ଏଜେନ୍ସି ମୋ ଓକିଲଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଜଣେଇଥିଲି।
yes, my lord।
ସେଟା କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା ସେ ଯୋଉ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଟା ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଥିଲି ଯୋଉ ଜେରା ଟୁ କୋର୍ଟ ହେଇକି
paragraph 54 page number 22 of the
particular ଜିନିଷଟା ପଚାରିଲେ ହଁ ଏଇଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି। I have informed to my counsel at the time of preparation of election petition as well as evidence affidavit as well as that after verifying from different agencies and making research, I came to know that the respondent Mohammad Mukim has given wrong statements in the affidavit in Form 26. Stop.
ସାର୍ ଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ ରେ ଯୋଉ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଦେଇକି
appearing at page 23 of the election petition, more specifically paragraph 4,
20,
23 and 24.
Yes, yes.
Of the election petition, the affidavit of the election petition is available. Specifically at paragraph 4, what is going to call upon affidavit question? It will come through. The particulars of such illegalities, irregularities as alleged in paragraph 7A to J are based on my personal knowledge and on the basis of documents filed by the respondent before the returning officer and official records and public documents, which I believe the same to be true. সেই কথাটা মধ্যে ইলেকশন পিটিশন ভেরিফাই କରିଛନ୍ତି paragraph 22 ରେ available ଅଛି verification page 22 of the election petition ରେ same ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ ସେଟା କୋଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି as well as in verification of the election petition
election evidence affidavit ର କୋ paragraph
evidence
election petition I have mentioned, I have seen
verification ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ paragraph page 22
acha verification 22 ରେ ଅଛି
22
paragraph number 4. All right. In the affidavit as well as in the verification, in election petition, I have mentioned in paragraph number 4 that the particulars of such illegalities, irregularities as alleged in paragraph 7 bracket with capital A TO2 J नहीं paragraph bracket 8 पर हाँ 2 7 J है ना are based on my personal knowledge and on the basis of documents filed by the respondent before the रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर टा आर कैपिटल कर दियो, कैपिटल कर दियो, ठीक। रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर एंड ऑफिशियल records and public documents which I believed to be believed the same to be true. না এটা ইয়ে সেন্টেন্স টা কলা বেলକୁ হবো মানে সেই টাইপ which I believe the same to be true. Stop. Yes, to be true. हाँ
अच्छा देखंतु एठी जो लेखिलानी कि रेस्पोंडेंट जो डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल करथिले ताकू ही देखिकिरी मु जानि पारली। मु आपनको कहबाकू चाहे बा पचारियाकू चाहे एग्जिबिट 17 to 30 रो कॉपी रेस्पोंडेंट तांको फॉर्म एफिडेविट इन फॉर्म 26 सहित दाखल करथिले कि?
I don't remember, sir.
Exhibit 1 to 4 and exhibit 30 to
हाँ।
35
एग्जिबिट हाँ से तार संगे जो
all right.
एफिडेविट इन फॉर्म
I do not remember whether the respondent has submitted exhibits the copies of exhibits সেটা কেতে 17 to exhibits कर दियो 17 TO to 30 along with his affidavit in form 26. Stop.
आपण रेस्पोंडेंट कर नॉमिनेशन 1 to 4 and 32 to 35 एग्जिबिट आपण तलब करचंती से भी कोर्ट रे तलब हे कि राशि दाखल हेची डाउनलोडेड कॉपी फाइल करचंती से आपण से भी एग्जिबिट मार्क हेची सेही थरे एग्जिबिट 1 to 4 और 32 to 35 रे एग्जिबिट 17 to 30 कॉपीज रेस्पोंडेंट दाखल करथिबा आपण देखिचंती कि?
Milord, I saw whatever from the documents I could see. मु देखिबी नहीं पर्सनली से करचंती कि नहीं
एई गुडा का आपण मार्क करचंती कि एग्जिबिट 17 to एग्जिबिट 30 तांको नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म और एफिडेविट इन फॉर्म 26 सहित दाखल हेची कि हेनी?
मो एफिडेविट रे तो apparently मु देखैछि, so I have shown that. आउ
नहीं तांकर जो डाउनलोड कॉपी आपण दाखल
तांकर जो whatever I've seen Milord from his downloaded nominations,
এই जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स गुडा का ना एग्जिबिट 17 to 30 तार से कॉपी देइथिले कि तांकर नॉमिनेशन संगेरे बा एफिडेविट संगेरे क्वेश्चन टा होची या आपण फाइल करचंती तांकर?
no, I have not seen if he has given or not. Milord, I have
this is not available. What he says that these copies are not available with the downloaded copies which you have filed. That is exhibit 1 to 4 out of the
32 to 30.
Probably, Milord, I will need my legal assistances on this.
जेहेतु आपण affidavit election petition affidavit लिखिचंती and on the basis of documents filed by the respondent before the returning officer जो डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल करिसंती रेस्पोंडेंट रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर पक्ष सेतिरे एग्जिबिट 17 रु 30 थिला कि जोटा कि एग्जिबिट 1 रु 4 32 रु 35 भीतर अवेलेबल अछि। एटा कि स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन है देखि देबे कि एग्जिबिट 1 रु 4
Milord, certain things you don't remember, Milord, when you are
no, I have mentioned it. I do not remember say jinsada. Now the second question is put to you. Say जहाँ आपण आंसर देबे सेटा लेखा जीवो तेणु से माने कहउचंती एग्जिबिट 1 to 4 आउ केते 32 to 35 जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपण फाइल करचंती नॉमिनेशन पेपर एंड एफिडेविट ऑफ द रेस्पोंडेंट सेथरे ए डॉक्यूमेंट गुडा को रेस्पोंडेंट फाइल करी नथिले कारण आपण लिखिले ना मु रेस्पोंडेंट रो डॉक्यूमेंट बेस करी किनी एगुडा को सब जानिली से सेथि पई पचारचंती प्रश्नटा तो व्हाट इज योर आंसर?
Milord, तांकरी ईयर Milord I have
हाँ but that those documents are not available either in exhibit 1 to 4 or 32 to 35.
or along with affidavit in form 26.
हाँ सी
I don't, maybe, my lord, I will like to, I don't exactly.
नहीं जहाँ कहिबे लेखा हबो किछ नहीं यू आर द विटनेस जहाँ आपण कहिबे मु लेखिबी
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ଏଇ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ ଥିଲା 17 ରୁ 30 ଥିଲା କି ନାହିଁ
आपण जदि देखियाउ चाहउछन
ଦେଖିବାକୁ
देखि दियंतु
ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
आउटर देई दे
ଦେଖିପାରିବେ
ये शो हिम टू
देखिए
एग्जिबिट
दियंतु।
1 to 4 देई देले ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट देई दियंतु हां गोटे तो देई देले समान हो 1 टा देई दे 1 टा सब तो समान हो ए एग्जिबिट 1 टा देखंतु एटा होची नॉमिनेशन पेपर विथ एफिडेविट इन फॉर्म 26
एटे से जो ए जो एफआईआर कॉपी सर्टिफाइड कॉपी वाला देखुचंती
एफआईआर ऑर्डर शीट हो वा चार्ज शीट हो
आज भीतर अवेलेबल अछि कि देखंतु आड़ी के
I don't know, मु तो फुल ये तो
आपण आड़ी
पढ़ी पारि नहीं
वर्तमान देखि दियंतु ए जिंस पर अवेलेबल अछि कि नहीं
my lord, I won't be able to go through so many documents to my lord.
नहीं बहुत शॉर्ट देखि दियो कोर्ट दउଛନ୍ତି
देखि
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ कोर्ट परमिट करछन देखिबा
but still I won't remember because this is I have to correlate my lord to the question a lot jota ki is not being frankly me I am not as learned as you, sir, and my lord will probably understand my predicament in this.
ନାଇଁ ଏଇ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ 7 ରୁ 30 ସେଥିରେ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ତ
ଏଟା ତ ଖାଲି ହଁ କି ନା ଆଉ ସେଇଗୁଟା ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ତ ମନେ ପଡୁନି sir.
अच्छा इवन ऑन वेरिफिकेशन लिखूं नहीं ब्रैकेट रे the documents exhibit 1 to 4 and exhibits 32 to 35 these are all same
ଆଜ୍ଞା
bracket with your continue were shown to the witness and question was put as follows Q कर दियंतु whether copies of exhibits 17 to 30 are available in exhibits 1 to 4 and exhibits 30
ऊपर का 32 हो
अच्छा सेटा 32 32 हो 32 to 35 नहीं नहीं तळ तळ
1 to 4 पर
हां
नहीं नहीं पूर्वटा ब्रैकेट जोटा रखछन
32
कर दो
हां
नहीं 35 ठीक थिला 30 टा को 32 कर दो
ठीक ठीक with the copies of exhibit 17 to 30 सेटा ठीक थिला
30 करो
सेटा 30 करो are available in exhibit 1 to 4 and exhibits 32 32 हाँ 32 लिखूँ 32 TO2 35 whether copies of exhibits 17 to 30 are available in question mark into what is your answer again I am telling you whatever you tell I have made it question and answer
मिलन
कौन कहिबे कोन तो मु लिखि देबी क्वेश्चन टा स्पेसिफिक लेखाला आपण देखि दिउ आउथर क्वेश्चन टा को से कहउचंती 17 टू 30 अर्थात से एफआईआर ऑर्डर शीट आउ चार्ज शीट ଏଗୁଡାକ ଏ 17 ଏ ଯୋଉ 1 ରୁ 4 ଆଉ 32 ରୁ 35 ଭିତରେ ଏଗୁଡାକ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଯାହା ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବେ ଲେଖା ହବ।
My lord, this was done through my legal experts, and I don't remember exactly from the exhibits from this number to that number. So therefore, my lord, I'm a little bit in a predicament as for um, the senior lawyer's knowledge in this line and this question.
Even after verification, answer, even after verification, I cannot say, comma, even after verification, comma, I cannot say whether copies of the exhibits so and so are available or not.
Even after verification of the exhibit 1 to 4 and the exhibit 32 to 35.
Even after verification of the aforesaid exhibits bhi kar dele, even after verification of the aforesaid exhibits, even after verification of the aforesaid exhibits.
My lord, if a brief verification,
even after brief verification, brief verification of the aforesaid exhibits, I cannot say whether copies of exhibits 17 to 30 are available in exhibits 1 so and exhibit or not. Yeah.
Even after a brief verification, my lord?
The documents so and so were shown to the witness and following question was asked. And following question and and following question was asked. Bracket with set a bracket bas. Then the question and answer. All right.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, I put it to you ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କୌଣସି ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ତଥ୍ୟ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଅଭିଯୋଗ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ କୌଣସି ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ତଥ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ ନଥିଲା କିମ୍ବା ନାହିଁ କୋର୍ଟରେ ବି ଆପଣ ଦର୍ଶାଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି, ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଫିସିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରୋଭିଂ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
My lord,
ବାଜିଲା ନ ବାଜିଲା?
no, my lord, I don't agree to senior counsel's this thing. Of course, I've
all right.
I have done it as
it is not a fact. All right. It is not a fact that I have got no authentic information about the statements which I have made in election petition in paragraph 7C, 7C, or in my evidence affidavit relating to the cases pending
relating to suppression of criminal.
Relating to suppression of,
as evident from the respondent's affidavit.
Relating to suppression of criminal cases pending against the respondent. It is not a fact that I have no authentic information about the statement which in support of my statement, authentic information in support of my statement which I have made in election petition in paragraph 7C and in my evidence affidavit relating to suppression of criminal cases pending against the respondent in his form number in his affidavit, in his affidavit, form 26, form 26, and I have
only trying to make an attempt to make fishing and
I'm just trying.
No, I'm not fishing.
No, it's not a fact. It's not a fact. So upon mana kurchandi seta lekha hai and that kurdun and that I am.
Milord, it's on his record. It's on records.
It's all right. You have denied and it has been mentioned. It is not a fact. Mr. Samantray, upon mana kurchandi bili lekha ala. ये सार को क्वेश्चन जहाँ पचरा हला आपण ताको मना कले से सजेशन को आपण डिनाय करचंती तेणु सेया ही लिखा होची and that I am making fishing and roving inquiry about the same. Yeah. It's not a fact. Last year, sir, suggestion that it's not a fact that I have got no. Mr. Agrawal, you also see that last one. It is not a fact that I have got no authentic information in support of my statement which I have made in the election petition in paragraph 7C or in my evidence affidavit relating to suppression of criminal cases pending against the respondent in his affidavit in form 26 and that I'm making fishing and roving inquiry about the same. So bracket like the cross examination. Defer. Cross examination is deferred. But both of you go through the same and
yes,
then we'll sign it. So as per our previous, we'll take up on Friday. That is on 20th.
My Lord, small prayer, my Lord. Yeah. Can it be tomorrow? I will be not available on Friday. I have some personal difficulty.
No, it is up to you. I have nothing to say.
No, I am provided.
20 तारिख ପରେ ପୁଣି ଯାଇ ଆପଣ
20 ପରେ ଫେର ଛୁଟି ହେଇଯିବ so can it be tomorrow
24 ବୋଧେ ସେ ଆସି ଯାଇଥିବ 24 ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ବୋଧେ
ନା ଆର ସପ୍ତାହରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଡେଟ୍ ପକେଇବା କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ଦିନ ବଟ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
25 କି ପକେଇ ଦଉନା
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ପହରଦିନ ତାହେଲେ ୱିଲ୍ ଟେକ୍ ଅପ୍ ଅନ୍ 25th
24 ରେ ଆମେ
24 से वेरीफाई कर देथिबे से जो आसीथिबो डॉक्यूमेंट जो मु लिखि दउची से विषय रे सो 20 देखम एटा ऑर्डर शीट देखिला किछि आजी ऑर्डर शीट रे लिखा है छै कौन सीरियल नंबर बोलला ना इलेक्शन सीरियल नंबर ऑफ द ऑर्डर हैज बीन टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर 82 सेटा केते होबो ता परटा नहीं से गोटा का Okay. Mr. Vidyadhar Mistral and senior advocate appearing for the respondent. Continued with the further cross-examination of election petitioner Devashish Samantray. The election petitioner Devashish Samantray is present in court today. His cross-examination is resumed.
Milord, may I request?
Yeah.
I'm actually, if senior counsel can finish it between 24th in another 2-3 days, because I'll be traveling out for a week. So my request.
Just wait some idea. Say अनुसार कोड.
So if you extend
No,
it
no.
further.
Are you not, Mr. Samantray? Are you not available on 25th?
Yes, I am.
हाँ से
25th, 26th. That's it.
आपण 25th टाको आगे रही जाओ हला सेटा आगे जाओ तापर देखियो
ଆପଣଙ୍କର 7
କାହିଁକି ଛୁଟି ହେଇଯିବ ତ ରିପବ୍ଲିକ ଡେ ଛୁଟି
नो 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 सेई गोटे वीक रे 3 दिन छुट्टी अछि
ଆମେ only 7C ରେ ଅଛି
से 3 दिन से सप्ताह रे छुट्टी अछि तो सेत पय गोटिए दिन केवल पडुछि जोटा कि सेत पय आपण पचारली 25 तारिख इफ यू आर अवेलेबल देन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम
मिलड
ଆପଣଙ୍କ convenience is the paramount consideration for both of us.
अच्छा मिस्टर Mr. Agrawal, you said on the other day, that is on 16/1/2023,
yes,
that you have not received the certified copy of the deposition. Now
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
received.
deposition we have received, Lord. Exhibits we have not received.
Exhibits कौन है लापन?
I say कौन ना गोटाई दिन gap थला तो office called me so could not give. अभी का जो 5 दिन
So
gap
now
so
you
that
can-
I can get it.
All right. खाली लिख दियो तो let the registry supply the copies of the exhibits applied for to the Learned Council appearing for the election petitioner. अच्छा, put up this matter. थापरेटा लिखी देवे. Put up this matter.
My lords may give a date for supply of order sheet because exhibits.
अच्छा, on or before कर दियो तो 24th कर दियो तो on consensus of the parties. The cross examination is deferred to 25th January 2023 and it will be taken off at 2 p.m. Hala? Acha, as pointed out by the dealing assistant, the order number that the serial number of the order dated 16/1/2023 has been incorrectly reflected as 82 instead of 84. This one so is scored out and corrected as 84 in reading by me in open court. So, aji date halla 18 18/1/2023. How kichi achi ki other reflect ichi? No, so aji jo order kariye that would be 85, right? नहीं नहीं ठीक अछि
डिपोजिशन रो जो रनिंग कॉपी दबा को आपण ऑर्डर करछंती सेही दिनटा पे हेछि एवरीडे खाली करथला
अच्छा the photocopies of the deposition of the witnesses shall be supplied to the Learned Council for the respective parties, certifying it to be true copy by the private secretary every day when the deposition is recorded. On the very day when the deposition is recorded. এটা টিকে আগে পছ হবো এই করবে আগে ফার্স্ট থিং হচ্ছে তাଙ୍କୁ আগে দেখিয়ে দিଅନ୍ତୁ so that the witness will sign and he will go.